Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change a layer name or rename it using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is my PDF file. I have already opened this PDF file with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you want to open new PDF file, select file option and select open. You can open, and this left sidebar here you will find this layer option. Click here and this layer name, only layer. Now double click on this layer. This layer name now showing here. Here you can edit your layer name, new layer, or click on this option menu, and here you will find this rename option. It's say properties, add this layer name. Here you can change your layer name also. And see this. In this way you can change your layer name. Yeah. And finally select this file option. Save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.